As a content creator, you know that having a good tripod stand is one of those things that is essential for you, that you cannot do without. So after shopping around and just wanting to have a good tripod stand because my former one had broken, I was gifted this one by a good friend of mine. So I had seen it in a shop and I really wanted it because it had all the features I wanted. So this tripod is called SL3600, and this is how it comes packed. It comes packed in a box, and then right inside we have this carrier bag. So it has a carrier bag that you can use to carry it around, and then this is how it's packed inside. It has this instruction manual that is well elaborated. Then this is the phone holder that has 2 holes, so that it gives you the orientation to do a selfie and also to do portrait kind of video, landscape or portrait. And this is how it looks like when you start to extend. So guys, this thing extends a total of 1700 millimeters, and then that extendable height is about 30 centimeters, so that's like 300 millimeters. So it's tall, so you can see that's me. Yeah, and this is how tall it is. Like, it's slightly taller than me, and guys, I am not short. I think I am like 5'6" or 5'7", and it's above my head. So that is how it looks like. And there I was just trying to show off or something like that, but you can see how tall it is. So it gives you really a good working height. And then that head, I don't know how it is called, but it goes around 360, you can see, guys. And then you can extend it like that for, I think that one is like a 90 or 180 degrees. I think it's 180 degrees. So it goes like that. So it gives you an ample time to, like, it gives you good rotation. You can rotate it backwards, you can rotate it around, so it goes 360. And that is the holder. So when you fix the holder, it goes round like that, and then you can also fix it the other way. So guys, apart from the head, I will call it the head, but you see this upper part, apart from it being able to rotate 360, I love this because it's very sturdy. Like, it's one of those sturdy and low cost tripod stands that you can find out there. At this point, I know you're asking yourself, Kwani, how much is the tripod stand? So this one, I bought it at 3,200. I don't know if it's available in other shops, but there is a shop that I buy my DIY stuff from, and they had it in stock. So personally, I had tried looking around Nairobi or online shops, and the prices I was getting for tripod stands were crazy. Like the ones I wanted were going an upward of 7,000 shillings. But guys, this one is costing 3,200, and it's literally everything that you need in a tripod stand, especially if you're still using your phone to shoot, and if your camera is not that heavy, then this is the perfect tripod stand. And guys, when I say that it is sturdy, that is exactly what I mean, because I have had a bad tripod stand, and this one is perfect for your job. So I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you want the tripod stand, I think I can link this was my former tripod stand, by the way. See how broken it is. So guys, if you need this tripod stand, I can link the contact of the seller or the shop in the first comment, so that you guys can go and check it out. She has not paid me, but she has good stuff, so you can go there and check it out and just have yourself a good tripod stand. So happy content creating, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.